1984 Chevy Monte Carlo SS with a 468 motor, big block. It's a race car, and he wanted it built, so we built it for him. He's still got the headers up there on each side, then 3-inch pipe all the way back, and then we continued it with some FLOWMASTER race mufflers, Super 10s on each side, and then 2.5-inch tailpipes all the way back, right there, it's track ready into quad tips, right there and right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.